finna go out of town or whatever to Nashville. Well, yeah, I'm going out of town to Nashville. I gotta drive there, and I'm gonna record it. So we finna see how they go, cause I want y'all to see this. I want y'all to see the whole process of everything. With me driving down there by myself, it's 8 hours by myself, no phone, no nothing. That whole time we finna watch this shit and see what happens. And it's gonna be entertaining, so just watch this shit.
Maybe we can go like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say you love me when it's
like I told y'all, I'm finna go out of town or whatever to Nashville. Well, yeah, I'm going out of town to Nashville. I gotta drive there, and I'm gonna record it. So we finna see how they go, cause I want y'all to see this. I want y'all to see the whole process of everything. With me driving it by myself, it's 8 hours by myself, no phone, no nothing. That whole time we finna watch this shit and see what happens. And it's gonna be entertaining, so just watch this shit. And I need to figure out an intro. I don't know how to come on this bitch. So every time I come in here talking like this, I don't know how to be like, hey, this is Tygeewygee, this is not Tygeewygee, Tygeewygee. Hi, this is Tygeewygee channel, thank you for watching. I can't do that, I'm sorry. I'm not used to it. So I'm just be like, hey y'all, it's me, Tygeewygee. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get to the house. I'm off my camera, so I can get all my shit together. See that? She making turkey. She using this to inject it. And now these are the seasonings. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do on my end when I get down there. I'm gonna make it. This is how long it's gonna take me. Look. I'll make it that fast. I'm gonna make it that 5:19. I would have made that at 3 o'clock.
Cause I was gonna take some turkey. I was gonna take some.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same. Need her up beneath the thighs, eat that up in the night. You see that in the dark and in the right.
Right now, gotta collect my stuff and go.
She keep that booty, she keep that plump, that nasty beauty, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back, back, till you see it back, yeah, back, till you see it from the back, back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
So, gonna start driving. They say I'm gonna make it there at 5:42. That's how far I gotta go. 7 hours and 51 minutes. This is the longest drive. I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna show y'all clips halfway through to get in there, like through the states, like I did last time in my last one. But I'm gonna do it differently a certain way. But we gonna figure it out. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm in Indiana. No. Yeah, Indiana, then Louisville, Kentucky. Then I'm gonna talk to y'all in Nashville. So, I'll be right back.
We should get married. We should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried. You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. like that. To everybody else it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Hesitate. I didn't wanna say what they told me. You say without me you couldn't make it through the day that I shared. And maybe you misunderstood, 'cause I can't see how we could wanna chase something that's so good. All my love was all it took. You need to give it up.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel. But you knew that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark. Now you come into my heart uninvited. When you see me on the edge, I'm not. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want me to be clear. Tell me now,